Guys, lost another celebrity, guys. I'm talking about Ebenezer Dibakwane. Hi bazala bamzito, welcome to Life with Makacheni. I am Umakacheni. On this channel we are unpacking all the trending topics, and today's topic is about Ebenezer Dibakwane. Guys, Putika Ebenezer and also Ebenezer, they have both announced that Ebenezer is no more. Ebenezer shown yesterday on the 7th of March 2025. Guys, they didn't reveal the cause of the death, but they just announced that the comedian is no more. Guys, we know that Ebenezer was an actor, a comedian, and also a writer. Guys, he will be reminded of his talent. Ebenezer was really talented, guys, and so sad to see young celebrities or people who are in entertainment industry dying like this, guys. Each and every month we are announcing a death of someone. Each and every one in South African entertainment industry, we know that what and the sad part is people who they still have a future, people who are still looking forward for a future, and people with a lot of talent. That is so sad, guys. That is so sad. So we'll just wait for your family ukuthi announce the cause of the death and ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe wokugcina uzohamba kanjani. That means i-funeral yakhe izoba kuphi and i-memorial service, guys. And the family has asked ukuthi kule simo abandlula kuso bacela ukuthi bandlule kahle ngokuthula and abafuni ukuthi kube nezinkulumo ezizobalandela. That is all for now bazala bamzito. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.